we'll be there in 13 minutes.
Or maybe you can get my number.
Okay, I'll give your phone number then, yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay, we'll be at the pizza store in 13 minutes, 12 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, see ya.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, it's a golf course.
Cambridge, Kitchener.
Oh, we're going backwards because we already passed the pizza store.
Oh.
We have to go back. That's okay.
Exit down.
Yeah. We're going back the other direction. Oh, there's a big Amazon building. Look.
Oh, yeah. Amazon. Okay. Ay, sorry. Yung video ko. Roundabout. Daming roundabout.
Yeah.
Cambridge. May bus din dito.
Their bus looks weird. It's
Yeah.
a different bus.
Different. Yan dito.
Yeah. I have to go to the street light first.
Ito na. Ayan, pizza no ba? Ayun.
I think they have the Google. I wanna check. It's in red? I think so. Or in the exit in Kitchener.
Oh, dadaan natin Kitchener.
Yeah.
I will.
Yeah, we're here now in Kitchener now.
Yeah, I will.
Kitchener.
I will check there.
233,000 population.
They are in 1400 Ottawa Street in Kitchener.
In Kitchener? But I just passed Kitchener.
Okay,
Check
Cambridge, Kitchener. Oh, ang Kitchener ba sakop ng Cambridge?
I think it's the same, like, same county.
Yeah.
They have in Cambridge, it's in 1045 Elgin Street.
Elgin?
Yeah,
What's the number?
1045.
1045. Elgin Street North?
Yeah,
Okay.
Ay, sorry.
I think it's just around there.
Macy, not messy.
Do you wanna order the pizza on the phone so that it's ready when we get there?
Yes, please do that.
Sure.
You wanna call the store?
Yeah.
Okay. And then tell them the pickup is for
Yung ano
Mikey.
mo na, desktop.
Oh no, I think it deletes after a while.
Ay, you delete. Para ka din palang nag-Blue Mountain dito. Layo. Highway pa. Baka pag hindi kami nag-highway, 2 hours.
We're almost at Waterloo.
Yeah. Oh, Waterloo. Ito pala yung Waterloo.
I think Cambridge. Oh look, region of Waterloo in Cambridge.
Yeah. Waterloo,
I think
Cambridge.
that's. Oh look,
Oh.
Brantford.
Oh, Brantford. Dito ka pupunta. Layo.
Yeah, I know.
Sabihin mo kay Sam, doon muna kayo sa inyo.
Yeah.
Kasi
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do until I get.
hintayin mo na yung ano
Oh,
mo.
Veritas is calling. Okay,
Pero ayun,
we're 15 minutes still.
It's,
I got us. It's like 40 minutes.
3-0.
4-0.
Oh my
Whoa.
gosh! Did you see the accident there?
It's not accident. It's just like it missed the road.
Oh, they're fixing the
supposed to be like-
hole.
Yeah, it's like it's supposed to be like five lanes or 6. It's turned 3.
Oh, that's why. Because we got a detour to go on the side streets.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I gonna order pizza there because we didn't buy it. I don't want it.
Cambridge Store. Stopover.
That's funny.
Wala na. So, hindi ka naguna ng Cambridge. Ito na tayo sa Cambridge. Start of Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Sino man dumating sa amin? Camera yun eh. Daming puno, ano? Traffic on the highway. Highway ano to? 401.
Yeah.
Ano to, mga factory? Traffic. May traffic.
There's an accident on the highway. Oh yeah. Yeah, look.
Ano yan?
The highway. That's why we went on the side street.
Yeah.
The truck is stuck.
Oh, doon ba tayo pupunta?
No, I think we're passing it. That's why we went here in the side
Yeah.
streets.
Ano nga lugar to, no? Asan lugar?
Oh yeah, see?
Regional Road 25.
There's a big accident on the highway.
Oh.
Can you tell Mary Tess?
Sabihin ko. Daming bukid. Parang ano din, Blue Mountain. May magandang daan doon ay Horontario. Kita mo yung daan na ganun. Madami ditong roundabout eh. No? Nakita ko sa mapa eh. What is James Snow? May James Snow pala. Brampton pa do, Mississauga, Toronto.
I don't know. I think it's Brampton.
Yeah. See? So many electricity. Bukid. We're going to Cambridge, Ontario. Cambridge. Kila Macy. Ganda ng daan.
Traffic.
Mountain ba yun?
I think those are just the trees.
Kabukiran. Kabukiran sa Canada. Ayan sila Macy. Bye-bye.
Filming you.
Ayun na, hindi ako pag-video. Eto kami sa Cambridge.
This is a nice neighborhood.
Ayan. Palayo ng school nila. Ba't kaya may ganun sa gitna ng daan ang kaya sabihin ng 40?
I think it's to make you slow down. they switch the road so it forces you to slow down.
Oh.
Yeah.
Araw. Bagong gawa.
I like the houses here.
Yeah. Mga bungalow.
Wow, look at that house. It's
Yeah.
nice and big.
Yeah, there's that. Ganito din mga bahay dun sa downtown eh. Sa Brampton. Mga downtown, ganitong style din. Gusto sikat na model ng...
Yeah. But these are nicer than Brampton, I think.
Yeah. Mhm. Dito?
Yeah.
Andiyan na sila, Tess. Ayun sa likod. Ano?
Yeah.
Sa ito, oh, simbahan. May kinakasal. Cambridge. Ito na yung mga roundabout. Akalito itong mga roundabout. Kaya di yung magkapatid naglalaro. Pumunta dun sa mga tambakan ng kotse. Ngayon, nung ilang araw nawawala, hindi makita. Ang iniisip ng nanay, kinuha daw nung ama, magkahiwalay.
Oh.
Hindi ko kukunin niyo. Ako pag kinukuha ko yung mga bata, nagpapaalam ako.
Yeah, yeah.
Hindi, itong ina, pinakala daw niya, kinuha nung ama. Kahit kailan ko hiramin yung mga anak ko, nagpapaalam ako.
So then what happened? Somebody kidnapped them?
No, alam mo kung asan. Ilang araw natagpuan na sa sasakyang sira na
Oh my God.
binuksan nila, hindi nila mabuksan ngayon palabas, nakulong sila doon. Tiningnan sa mga CCTV, dinaanan ng mga bata yung mga CCTV. Tiningnan nila. Ayun, nakita, nagtatakbuhan yung dalawang bata, naglalaro, nakita sa CCTV. Ayun, natagpuan sa mga sasakyang nakatambak doon. Ayun, in 10 minutes lang makakatulog yung mga bata doon sa sobrang init.
Yeah.
Yung sasakyan palang sinakyan nila, ang mabubuksan mo lang kung may tao sa labas. Siguro tawag silang tawag, alang nakakadinig ko, tambakan yun. Namatay, magkapatid, kakaawa nga. 5 years old and 6 years old.
Yeah.
Kakaawa. Yung nanay, siguro telebabad ang telebabad.
Yeah. That's sad. So she
Yeah.
lost both of her kids
Yeah.
at the same time.
Yeah. Ito pang isa, napad ko sa TikTok. Yung mga 3 years old siguro. At 3 or 2 years old yung isa, or 3 or 4 years old yung isa. Sa swimming pool.
Oh no.
Yung nakatatanda na may salbabidas siya. Ngayon, nabitawan niya. Kawag siya ng kawag, may CCTV yung backyard. Mayaman siguro yun kasi may swimming pool sa likodan.
Yeah.
May CCTV yung backyard. Yung bata kawag ng kawag, ang kasama lang maliit na walang malay.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa ilang siya kawag ng kawag, hanggang sa lumubog na siya, ala na,
Oh no.
nahirapan na siya. Yung maliit na bata, tiningnan, sinundan, lumubog din.
Oh my God.
Ayun, patay din pareho yun.
Oh no.
Kakaawa. Hanggang sa kawag din ng kawag, lumubog na, ala na. Ewan kung may yaya yung mga bata na yun o ano. Siguro ba nagtelebaba din.
That's sad.
Oo, mayaman pa naman yung ang mga bata.
Yeah, because if they have swimming pool in the back.
Yeah. Malaking ang laki ng swimming
Oh,
pool
look at the car.
Wow. Habulin ko ng camera. Ang cute naman nun.
You know, Zuli, her husband drives something like that.
Oh, yeah, I saw
Yeah,
that.
I've seen before.
Yeah. Cambridge.
There's Brantford.
Brantford na pala to.
No, the highway to go to Brantford.
Oo. Dito ka magano. Highway go to Brantford. Yeah. Tuli na to.